Welcome back to Benny's Take. I'm your girl Benny, and today's video I'm just gonna be talking about random things that I saw happen online. I am in my car right now because the place I was gonna be at, I don't got the keys to. It's a whole situation, but we gonna do what we gonna do because I'm out here trying to be creating content. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be out here being consistent. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. I'm trying to reach these 1,000 subscribers, y'all. I really am trying to put myself out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. So y'all, this is just, we gonna do what we gonna do. And I just want to say that my nails are on crack right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all already know I own a cleaning business, so I do be cleaning a lot. These nails are literally a week old. In a week, all my nails started falling off. And I wanted to go back to the store and argue with them, but I'm like, I've never been able to keep nails any longer than that. I have never been able to keep nails any longer than that. They all always fall off because, again, I be cleaning a lot. I be having my hands in water. Granted, I be wearing gloves, but I just be having my hands in water a lot. So anyways, don't make fun of me, y'all. Don't be coming for me. Anyway, definitely subscribe, do the things, follow me on all my socials. We just gonna make this do what it do. So the very first story that I have on the docket is, y'all remember this with my dresses? I'm gonna leave it here or wherever. Y'all remember these debates that happen online so many times, whether the dress was blue or yellow? Did y'all remember seeing this? Because it was all over my timeline. I don't know, I literally don't know how it came about, but this was all over the talk. I don't even know why people were seeing different colors. Anyways, come to find out, the Scottish man behind the viral 2015 dress illusion was charged after attempting to murder his wife. Now pause. I did not even know where this dress came about. Like, I literally had no idea. You know what I'm saying? But how do you go from trying to trick the people with the colors and the illusions to wanting to murder your wife? Like, sir, like, what is going on with y'all? First of all, I hope the wife is okay. I hope the woman is safe. I hope that, nothing is, that she's not hurt, that she's not in pain or anything like that. I hope sis is okay. But y'all is wild. Like, y'all is wild. And one thing about the internet, they gonna know you how they know you. I have no idea what this man's name is. I didn't even know who he was, but I knew what he did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I knew him as far as, like, the dress. This is just, like, very odd. This is such an odd story. It is just so random. I don't even know. Like, I just don't even know. I hope he gets arrested. I hope, justice is served. I hope the law gets to the bottom of this. I hope they do something. You know what I'm saying? Because this is so weird. Apparently, he was violent towards her. This is just, like, wild. Yeah, dudes be wild. Like, yeah, not just dudes, but yeah, in general, yeah, be wild. That is crazy to me. Anyway, I hope the wife is okay. I hope nothing, has happened to her and all of those things, Anyways, for the next story, y'all, let me pull it up. Like, I want to hear y'all's take on this. This also came from the Shade Room. I just saw this when I was scrolling. But essentially, this woman, let me just play it.
Oh my God. No, this is my ride right here.
You have arrived.
And nobody's in the car. Oh, okay. So I'm taking this Waymo to work. So, and that's my initials on the top.
You have arrived.
All right, hold on, y'all. Oh God. Okay. Oh wow, y'all, this is so weird.
Hello, Waymo. As you can phone, just press 1 to cover a few rides.
I'ma pause the video right there. Y'all go watch it for yourselves. But no. I am not getting in a car that ain't got no driver. I am sorry. No. Would y'all do it? Would y'all get into a car with no driver? No. Because The Bible says to walk by sight and to walk by faith and not by sight. This is it. Literally, you are driving in faith. Like you are driving in faith. Ain't no way. The way my anxiety is set up, I would just be there panicking. I would just be like, I would walk. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take me, 35 business days. It's gonna take me, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna be like the children of Israel. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna be out here 40 years in the wilderness before I get into my destination, before I'm gonna put my behind. What kind of madness is this? Do you people not fear? Do you people not fear? Sis really went in there. She was like, oh my gosh, this is so weird. Yes, it is. Get out. Get out. Get out. It is weird. No, I'm not doing it. And don't be coming into my inbox talking about, take that. Nah. I trust the blood is enough to protect and cover me, but I also trust that God has given me a brain that be functioning. God has given me a functioning brain. I will not be out here. I will not be out here in a car that ain't got no driver. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll give you, if you're in a car and it's like the driver is there, but it's maybe just, just let the driver be there. You know what I'm saying? Even if the car is doing its whole thing, let just somebody be there on the wheel just in case, some pop off. You know what I'm saying? Because the thing with technology, what if something die? What if like a battery goes off? Like let somebody be there. Like this, when we say Jesus take the wheel, this here right here, Jesus would have had to take the wheel. You know what I'm saying? And he would have to take the wheel. I'm not just talking about like just, we're just saying, just say like, no, Jesus will have to come. Come and be taking this wheel, because no way. Like, where would I have to be going that I will... Okay, if I'm in danger, right? Like if I'm in a dangerous situation and the only way I can get out, maybe it's like, this, self-driving car. Child, no, I don't know that I can do it, y'all. I'm really trying to find a scenario, but there's no. This technology is getting out of hands. Like this technology is there are 8 billion people on Earth. Y'all can find one person to drive me. You know what I'm saying? Is it over 8 billion already? Or is it 7 billion? Last I checked, it was 7, because we're overpopulated. There are so many human beings on Earth. For me to be walking into a car that ain't got a driver, get somebody. You know what I'm saying? Call somebody. Call Jose. Call Lamar. Call Jamal. Call Louis. Call Gerald. Call Andrew. Call David. Call somebody. There are 7 billion people on Earth, y'all. Ain't no way. I would have to be drugged. I would have to be on crack. I would have to be on crack. I would have to be on heroin. I would have to be so high off cocaine for me to... No. Hey! Jesus, where are we going? Where are we going? Like, let me see. Let me think of like a positive, right? So say you're trying to go on a date, and maybe you're worried about the guy, being unsafe, with him picking you up. Then you can maybe be like, okay, just send, a driverless car to pick me up, because like some of the girls still want to be picked up for the dates. Could that be a scenario that you do that? But then again, there is Uber. There is Lyft. I will get on a scooter, y'all. I'm going to get on a scooter. I'm not doing this. And speaking of that, I saw another story. I don't have a video of it, but I saw another story of this girl that actually got mad at the dude for not coming to pick her up on the first date. I feel like she's very entitled you know, to want to be picked up on the second day. But I feel like you should have communicated that. You know what I'm saying? Like, why is that something that, first of all, for me personally, like, I don't think I want some, if it's a first date and it's somebody that I don't know, I don't think I want to give you my address. You know what I'm saying? I would get into this driverless car before I would let a random dude pull up at my house, know where I live. Like, what if I don't like you? What if, you know, what if you're like a serial killer? What if you're like the dude with the dress that was now assaulting his wife? What if that's you? You're not finna know my house. No. You're not finna know my house. So yes, I think sis can have her standards. I think sis can have, like, you know, certain things that she prefers. Everybody's entitled to that, but it's like, yo, safety comes first for one, and two, communicate that. Because then she got mad and just posted him online, because these days all we're doing is posting. You don't like something, go post about it. You don't like somebody, go post about it. What's that about? I feel like right now I'm just like all over the place, but what is that about? Why can't y'all just talk to people? Why are we in it? Now, why am I in it? Because if you put me in it, I'ma be in it. You know what I'm saying? I'ma clock in. I'ma clock in and I'ma be in it. But why am I in it? You know what I'm saying? Like, talk about these things. Are we so childish? Like, oh my God. Everything we want to take it online. Everything we want to take it online. That's not okay. That's a problem. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think. That's all I have for this week. You know what I'm saying? Like, what y'all think about the story with, you know, this man assaulting his wife. I hope she's okay. What y'all think about that? What y'all think about, you know, this driverless car? Would y'all get in it? What y'all think about this lady who was out here, you know, expecting a dude to pick her up from the first date and then posted about it? You know what I'm saying? Like, do y'all send people, ladies, do y'all want dudes to come pick y'all up in your homes? Like, what y'all think? Do all of those things and just like respond in the comments. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe. You know, follow me on all my socials. Turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. Help your girl reach the 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, help your girl reach 1,000. Just pull up on me. You know what I'm saying? Pull up on me, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Z's.